Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we'll show you how to quickly identify the rotation direction of drone propellers and install them correctly on your aircraft. First, let's look at how to determine the rotation direction of a propeller. A simple method is to observe the blade from the lower edge to the higher edge. If the blade gradually rises from low to high, then the propeller rotates in that direction during operation. For example, the propeller on my left. If it rotates following the direction from the lower edge to the higher edge, it is a counterclockwise propeller. On the other hand, the propeller on my right rotates from the lower edge toward the higher edge, which makes it a clockwise propeller. After identifying the propeller directions, we also need to confirm the motor rotation direction of the drone. Generally, on a quadcopter, the motors on diagonal corners rotate in the same direction. Most quadcopters follow one of two standard motor rotation layouts. Before installing the propellers, you can power on the aircraft and briefly arm the motors without propellers installed. By carefully observing or lightly touching near the motor area, you can determine the motor's rotation direction. Finally, install the propellers according to the motor rotation. Clockwise motor, install a clockwise propeller. Counterclockwise motor, install a counterclockwise propeller. As long as you correctly identify the propeller direction and match it with the corresponding motor, you can avoid installation mistakes that may prevent the drone from taking off. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. This is the World Drone Market channel and we'll see you in the next video.